tell all people, who will spread the truth.
Who will make this last day God will use? Let it be said through
The prophet old is the strength and courage of our youth. It's the voice of youth that will change the entire world. Bring the young and old to the knowledge of His word. Every gift and skill we'll use all we can afford, leading all to world loving good. Let us rouse young people, all within God's church, and together do the blessed word. Slumbering we fight, all the dark we light, lead all to the Lord with all our might. It's the voice of youth that will change the entire world. Bring the young and old to the knowledge of His word. Every gift and skill,
Kita natin sila sa pagbalik sa Diyos. You will hear Jesus all the day. So, mapatian natin ang pagbalik sa inyong mga kaisunan.
While gawin ta sa atong buhi nga Diyos, samtang wala ko siya kabalik mga kaigsunan. Atong buhaton ang mga butang na naga pahimuot sa iya. Muon naton ang mga butang na alang sa iya ang mga kaigsunan. Kay sa ulahing adlaw adawat ganti haling diha sa iya ang mga kaigsunan.